Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and sorry for the background noise. It is my washer, because yeah, it's my room and I have the bonus room, so I have my friend Maggie, and so yeah, I'm excited. Where's my other phone? Oh, wait, I don't.
It's right. I thought I just saw
Yeah, I just saw it. I just had it. Where did it go? I literally have. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so this is my old phone. So, old phone. She's been using it all day. So, I got 2 cases. So, yeah. So, I thought you were videoing.
No.
So, I already opened it and I already got everything. Do you see that? Do you see the red light?
Mhm.
That's really weird. So,
Sorry, I'm just looking at here.
so I already opened all of it. So it's my. So this is my. Let me turn my brightness down. It's my.
Doing your phone with Fit Photos again.
I guess the brighter I turn it up, the. Oh, never mind. Okay, so I'm turning the brightness down on here too. So, just have everything. So,
Look at your old phone.
so mine is white. I have the iPhone XR Max, I think. Oh my gosh! I just realized there's nothing down there. There's like.
What does it do on your phone? Oh, I see it.
So I was so sad because I can't use this case on my phone anymore. So,
That was bigger.
because that one's bigger and the camera, but this screen is bigger and that screen is smaller. So I got that Adidas case and I got this, it's super cute. And then I got this Bodyguard case.
Is your mom home? Someone's here.
Yeah, I know. So I think I'm gonna put this one on for a little bit. Maybe.
You have to get used to both of them.
Yeah. And I have a screen protector on, so there's so many fingerprints already.
I just feel so weird doing that on camera.
Okay. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Go to my other channel to see me actually unbox my phone. So, yeah.